This method is used to repair cosmetic defects or minor damage to an unsupported tooling or mounting hole. The hole may have component leads, wires, fasteners, pins, terminals, or other hardware run through it. This repair method uses high-strength epoxy to restore the damaged surface surrounding the hole. This method can be used on single-sided, double-sided, or multi-layer circuit boards and assemblies. The minimum skill level needed to complete this procedure reliably is advanced. The conformance level reached when this procedure is completed properly is high. See the web page for a list of the tools and materials required to complete this procedure. The procedure follows. Step 1. Clean the area. Step 2. Mill away the damaged board base material using the micro drill and ball mill. All damaged base board material and solder mask must be removed. No fibers of laminate material should be exposed at the surface perimeter of the hole. Note: to clearly see that all damaged material has been removed, flood the area with alcohol or solvent. Damaged internal fibers of the base material will show up clearly. Step 3. Remove all loose material and clean the area. Step 4. Where needed, apply high-temperature tape to protect exposed parts of the circuit board. Tape may be required inside the hole. If epoxy reduces the inside diameter, the hole may have to be re-drilled after the epoxy has cured. Note: the circuit board may be preheated prior to filling the area with epoxy. A preheated circuit board will allow the epoxy to easily flow and level out. Epoxy applied to an unheated circuit board may settle below the circuit board surface as the epoxy cures. Caution: some components may be sensitive to high temperatures. Step 5. Mix the epoxy. If desired, add color agent to the mixed epoxy to match the circuit board color. Step 6. Coat the area with epoxy and flush with the circuit board surface. A mixing stick may be used to apply and spread the epoxy. Note: a slight overfill of epoxy may be desired to allow for shrinkage when epoxy cures. Step 7. Cure the epoxy per Procedure 2.7 Epoxy mixing and handling. Step 8. After the epoxy has cured, remove the tape. Step 9. If needed, use a knife or scraper and scrape off any excess epoxy. Scrape until the new epoxy surface is level with the surrounding circuit board surface. Note: apply surface coating to match prior coating as required. Step 10. Remove all loose material. Clean the area. Evaluation. Step 1. Visual and dimensional examination of the reworked area for conformance to drawings and specifications.